बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम ओसामा, आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल 1 to 6 मिनट कंटेंट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है हाउ टू सक्सीड विद अकाउंट बेस्ड मार्केटिंग ऑन लिंक्डइन, यानी कि मार्केटिंग किस तरह से करते हैं लिंक्डइन पे। ठीक है, लिंक्डइन भी एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। मोर B2B marketing teams are turning to account based marketing for lead generation. Now that most organizations have cancelled in person events, B2B business need a new tactic to get in front of qualified lead. Account based marketing on LinkedIn has filled the gap for business worldwide. Instead of targeting a larger audience, account based marketing. ABM pushes marketing campaign to specific audience and account. Marketing and sales teams work closely together to identify target accounts. They can they then center campaigns around these pre-qualified accounts, engaging these individuals. ABM campaigns educate and nurture these leads. Account-based marketing is growing in popularity as 42% of B2B companies plan to use this tactic in 2020. LinkedIn is one highly successful channel for ABM. Why does LinkedIn these platform work so well for ABM campaigns? B2B companies should look to LinkedIn for the following reasons. LinkedIn allows tight audience targeting, including by company name or email address. You can run many companies easily manipulate your test or use auto optimize tool to you optimize your cost. There are several different types of campaigns, including a platform native lead capture tool, which reduce frictions if you want to capture lead information. Analytics are robust, letting you understand which messaging design and big strategy is resonating. To succeed on LinkedIn with ABM follows these best practices. Number 1, creative highly relevant content. Number 2, run multivariate test. Number 3, use the lean and agile methods. Creative highly relevant content. At the core of account-based marketing is thought leadership. Before running any campaign, develop a content marketing library of pieces or one piece to begin. That is highly targeted for your audience. Your target audience want to read actionable and relevant materials. Always think about what value you are offering them. To create these kind of material, research and understanding their plan, points and goals. Craft a value proposition that is targeted and precise. So you should avoid being autobiographical and talking about your company in a way. Braddockio way. The key to excellent thought leadership is being buyer centric and answering questions like what coming in my industry this year, next year and 5 years down the line. How can I be prepared for this change? What am I missing out in terms of current values, cost saving or future preparation? What should I know to keep up with my competitors and peers? Some companies start with thought leadership at the top of their organization, the big picture. Their CEOs and founders are usually thinking about all the time and use the marketing team to translate this into a compelling, beautifully crafted content offer. The process may take the format of an original research report, infographic, webinar videos, ebooks, and more. If some leads are extremely highly value, you may even want to create spin-off content just for them. Always run multivariate tests. The real value of LinkedIn lies in seeing insights that help you optimize over time. For that reason, never launch with just one ad or one campaign with all your budget behind it. Testing is crucial. If you only have a single content offer, that's okay. There are various elements of the ABM strategy that you can test. Create multiple variations of the following: core messaging, pains point, values point, other differentiators, and trigger event for a sale. Add copy, try number based, value driven, and pain point driven copy. Offers or incentives for a target audience, demos, speak to sale, content, educations, tools, webinar, events, etc. Design to design do big buttons. Work in your design. Statistics, charts, short, choppy text. Format: video versus photo versus display ad. See also 5 reasons content creators should be looking at analytics. While there are many areas to test, try to make your test A/B as to avoid confusing your findings. It's likely you will identify some standout ads right out of the gate. These ads will become your playbook of best practices that you can use for more ads. Use the Learn Plus Agile methodology. Account-based marketing or LinkedIn campaigns are never set it for and forget it. To find success, you should practice a lean and agile marketing methodology of optimizations. To do this, you will need daily or weekly checks in on your campaigns. Start with a small budget and always set a daily budget and total budget limit so you can control your spendings. When you start the campaign, watch that you are getting substantial impressions depending on your audience. This could be several hundred or several thousand. Always look for statistical significance when you look at the data. Doing this can be more of an art than an exact science. You just want to make you sure you have let your initial test run for at least several days or a week to get a decent baseline. See also Agile LinkedIn best practices for B2B. In order to avoid spam, LinkedIn limits the number of times your audience can see your company's ads. And so you want the best ads in rotation the most often with ongoing optimization. Pause low performing ad to ensure the best performing ad are in front of the target accounts. Uh, Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.